Good morning, students.
Good morning, madam.
Alright, let's try this example. X squared plus 4 equals 0. X squared equals negative 4. We solve this problem. Is equal to this one. Student, can you guess this one is what a value? No. It's okay, student. It's a no solution. This because it's not the real numbers. And also the real numbers it gives two square numbers like positive and a negative. Example. So we just imagine that we just imagine that this one is for real numbers and this one is for imaginary numbers. When you cross that row, that means it's a real. But you can't go to the imaginary numbers. You can't cross to imaginary numbers. So that means it's need this one is it's called the imaginary number. That's why it's applied I squared. You know, in our previous class, I squared equal negative 1 is simplified like I is equal root of negative 1 because we're taking both square like that. Okay, so the main purpose of we using I because you know discriminant less than equal like erase like a b squared minus 4ac is also about less than 0, which means negative numbers. Okay, students, let's anyone can tell me what is the form of a quadratic equation? Thank you, Tom. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And in your year 11, in your form 5, what the formula of quadratic equation is? Thank you, Mary. X equal negative plus and b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's solve example 1. Example 1. How to solve this question? X squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. The main important one is you must identify the value of A, B, and C. A, this one equal 1, B, 2, C, 5. And then we can substitute to the formula. So once we substitute, let's see that x equal negative 2 plus and minus root of 2 squared minus 4 a1 2 a, sorry guys, 4 1 and 5, sorry because this one is C, 5 holding over 2 1. So we simplify this one like negative 2 plus and minus 4 minus 4 1 like 20, sorry, like 4 5x It's correct. 20 over 2. Then negative 2 plus and minus root of you minus this one, it gives you negative 16 over 2. You can see from this one is negative. Keep in mind that I squared equal negative 1. Simply I equal root of negative 1. So negative 1, this one, we sub into this one. Let's see that. Negative 2 plus and minus root of, but this case is negative 16, so you separate like 16 times negative 1. Why? Because when we multiply this one, it gives negative 16. So over 2. So negative 2 plus and minus root of 16 is 4. Sorry. Root of 16 is 4. This one we can sub into these imaginary numbers. So like I. Because when we just put it, give us I. Root of negative 1 give I in the previous class. Over 2. Then you simplify and you get x value. You simplify it, get 1. This one is 1 and 2. So the answer for this one, 2, because you know plus and minus. So 1 minus, you simplify to high, and the next one is 1 plus 2 high. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we're moving on our activity. I'm gonna distribute this question and I want you guys to do in a group. So you guys do question number 8 and then we discuss on the board. I'll give you 3 or 2 minutes. I hope you guys will done the activity on the board. So I want someone volunteer from you to come and do the activity on the board.
Okay, madam.
Minus 4 increase up to 8. Then plus and minus 4 squared minus 4 and then we work on this and it gives us this. Oh no, we separate that. Weird. After that, to 8 plus 6. 4 plus and minus 4 root 2 times root 2 over 6. Oh, yeah. And again we get 4 minus 2. Oh, sorry. 4 minus 2, right? 4. between leave plus and minus to I. And now we get x to 3 plus 2I 3 and the other x value is 2 3 minus 2 5 4 3. Okay, done, madam. Thank you, the beautiful coming and present your answer. Let's mark on the board. Yes. First of thing you identify, yes, that's correct. The formula you sub, yes. You simplify, yes. You try to separate this one is the correct one, and your final answer is this one. That's correct. Okay, so we just recap what we have learned today. So first of thing, imaginary numbers are the main important one. Why? Because I equal root of -1. It can be solved in a what? In a square root of a negative numbers. That means that this one, imaginary numbers, is important for solving a quadratic equation with a discriminant equal 0. Thank you. If you have no question, then you guys do one homework. Like this one. Homework. Homework I want to take tomorrow. X squared, to solve this one, solve x squared plus 4 equals 0. Thank you for your attention, students, and I hope tomorrow I will see you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.